Good evening. Welcome to our restaurant.
Good evening. Thank you.
Do you have a reservation?
No, I do not, but I have a voucher from the hotel manager.
Oh, I see. May I have a look at the voucher, please?
Yes, of course. Here you are.
Thank you. Yes, everything is fine. Mr. Tolmas told me about you.
That is good to hear.
Please follow me. I will show you to your table.
Thank you very much.
This table is by the window. Is this okay for you?
Yes, it is very nice. I like this place.
I'm glad you like it. Would you like to see the drinks menu?
Yes, please, but I do not drink alcohol.
No problem at all. We have water, soda, and fresh juice.
That sounds good. I would like sparkling water, please.
Certainly. Would you like lemon in your water?
Yes, please. Just a slice of lemon.
Very well. I will bring that right away.
Thank you. I am very hungry.
Here is your water. Are you ready to order food?
Almost. Could you tell me about the pasta dish?
Of course. It is fresh pasta with mushrooms and cream sauce.
Does it have cheese?
Yes, it has a small amount of cheese on top.
I see. And what is the special today?
The special is salmon with vegetables and herb sauce.
That sounds very good. Is the sauce heavy?
No, it is light and easy to eat.
That is perfect. I have one question.
Yes, please.
I am allergic to onions.
Thank you for telling me. I will inform the chef.
Can the salmon be made without onions?
Yes, of course. That is no problem.
Great. Then I would like the salmon, please.
Very good. 1 salmon, no onions. Your meal is free tonight.
Thank you very much. That is very kind.
You are welcome. I will bring your food soon.
Thank you. I am looking forward to it.
Good morning. Welcome to the breakfast area.
Good morning. Thank you.
Did you sleep well?
Yes, very well. The room was quiet.
I'm glad to hear that. Would you like to sit here or near the window?
Near the window, please. I like the morning light.
Of course. Please have a seat.
Thank you.
Breakfast is included with your stay. We have a buffet and some hot dishes.
That sounds nice. What is included in the buffet?
We have bread, cheese, fruit, yogurt, and cereal.
I see. Do you also have eggs?
Yes, you can order eggs from the kitchen.
Great. What kinds of eggs do you offer?
We have boiled eggs, scrambled eggs, and omelets.
I would like an omelet, please.
Certainly. What would you like inside the omelet?
I would like cheese and tomatoes, please.
No problem. Do you want onions as well?
No, thank you. I do not eat onions.
Understood. Cheese and tomatoes only.
Thank you.
Would you like anything to drink?
Yes, please. I would like a cup of coffee.
Black coffee or with milk?
With milk, please, and no sugar.
Very well. Would you like some juice too?
Maybe later. I will start with coffee.
That's fine. Your omelet will take about 10 minutes.
That is okay. I can start with fruit.
The fruit is right over there. We have apples, bananas, and oranges.
Perfect. I will get some fruit now.
Please enjoy. I will bring your coffee to the table.
Thank you very much.
Here is your coffee.
Thank you. It smells good.
If you need anything else, please let me know.
I will. Thank you for your help.
You are welcome.
This is a nice way to start the day.
I'm happy to hear that. Enjoy your breakfast.
Good morning. Can I help you?
Good morning. Yes, please. I need some help.
Of course. What are you looking for?
I want to visit the city museum, but I am not sure how to get there.
I see. Are you walking or using public transport?
I am walking right now, but I can take a bus if it is too far.
That is a good question. The museum is a bit far to walk.
Oh, I see. Which bus should I take?
You can take the number 8 bus from this street.
The number 8 bus. Where is the bus stop?
The bus stop is just around the corner, next to the bakery.
Next to the bakery. That sounds easy to find.
Yes, the bus comes every 10 minutes.
That is good. How long does the bus ride take?
It takes about 15 minutes.
That is not too long. Do I need to buy a ticket before I get on the bus?
Yes, you can buy a ticket at the machine near the bus stop.
Can I pay with a card?
Yes, the machine takes cards and cash.
Great. And where should I get off?
You should get off at the 3rd stop.
The 3rd stop. Is it easy to see the museum from there?
Yes, when you get off, you'll see a large building with a glass entrance.
That sounds clear. Thank you.
You are welcome. Are you visiting the museum for the first time?
Yes, it is my first time in this city.
Welcome. The museum is very nice and not too crowded in the morning.
That is good to know. I like quiet places.
Me too. Do you need help with anything else?
Yes, one more thing. Is there a cafe near the museum?
Yes, there is a small cafe across the street from the entrance.
Perfect. I would like to have a coffee after my visit.
That sounds like a good plan.
Thank you very much for your help.
It is no problem at all. Enjoy your visit.
I will. Have a nice day.
You too. Goodbye.
Good afternoon. Welcome to our store.
Good afternoon, thank you.
Can I help you find something today?
Yes, please. I am looking for some clothes.
Of course. What kind of clothes do you need?
I need something comfortable for walking around the city.
I see. Are you looking for a top, trousers, or a jacket?
I would like a light jacket and a pair of trousers.
That sounds good. What color do you prefer?
I like simple colors, maybe blue or black.
We have some nice jackets in blue over here.
They look nice. Are they warm enough?
Yes, they are good for cool mornings and evenings.
That is perfect. Can I try this one on?
Yes, of course. What size do you usually wear?
I usually wear a medium.
Here you are. The fitting rooms are over there on the left.
Thank you. I will try it now.
Take your time.
I like the jacket, but the sleeves feel a little long.
I see. Would you like to try a small size?
Yes, please. That might be better.
Here is the small size.
Thank you. This one fits much better.
I'm glad to hear that. Would you like to look at trousers now?
Yes, please. I need something comfortable.
These trousers are very popular. They are soft and easy to wear.
They look nice. Do you have them in black?
Yes, we do. What size do you need?
I am not sure. Can I try 2 sizes?
Of course. Here are both sizes.
Thank you. I will try them.
No problem.
The first pair is too tight, but the second pair feels good.
Then the second pair is the right choice.
Yes, I think so. How much are the jacket and the trousers?
The jacket is $40 and the trousers are $30.
That is reasonable. Can I pay by card?
Yes, card is fine.
Great. I will take both items.
Excellent choice. I will pack them for you.
Thank you for your help.
You are welcome. Enjoy your shopping.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
You too. Goodbye.
Good afternoon. Welcome to the pharmacy.
Good afternoon. Thank you.
How can I help you today?
I need some medicine, please.
Of course. What seems to be the problem?
I have a headache and a sore throat.
I'm sorry to hear that. Do you also have a fever?
No, I do not have a fever.
All right. How long have you had these symptoms?
Since yesterday evening.
I see. Do you need to work or drive today?
Yes, I need to go out later.
In that case, I will give you medicine that does not make you sleepy.
That would be great. Thank you.
Do you prefer tablets or syrup?
Tablets, please. They are easier for me.
Very well. Take 2 tablets with water.
How often should I take them?
You can take them every 6 hours.
All right, I will remember that.
For your sore throat, I also recommend these lozenges.
Do they help with pain?
Yes, they help and they taste mild.
That sounds good. I will take them.
Would you like anything else? Maybe vitamins?
Yes. Do you have vitamin C?
Yes, we do. It can help your body feel stronger.
Okay, I will take a small pack.
Good choice. Do you have any allergies to medicine?
No, I do not.
That is good to know.
Can I ask one more question?
Of course.
Should I see a doctor if I do not feel better?
Yes, if you feel worse or do not improve in 2 days, please see a doctor.
Thank you for the advice.
You are welcome. Please also drink a lot of water and rest.
I will do that.
Your total is $15.
Can I pay by card?
Yes, card is fine.
Here you are.
Thank you. Here is your receipt.
Thank you very much for your help.
My pleasure. I hope you feel better soon.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
You too. Goodbye.
Good afternoon. Welcome to our cafe.
Good afternoon. Thank you.
Please choose any table you like.
Thank you. I would like to sit near the window.
Of course, that table is free.
Great. I like to see the street while I drink coffee.
Here's the menu. Take your time.
Thank you. I will have a look.
Would you like something to drink first?
Yes, please. I would like a coffee.
Sure. Do you want black coffee or coffee with milk?
With milk, please.
All right. And would you like sugar?
No, thank you. I do not take sugar.
Very well. Would you like something to eat as well?
Maybe. What do you recommend?
Our sandwiches are popular, and we also have cakes.
I see. What kind of sandwiches do you have?
We have cheese, chicken, and vegetable sandwiches.
I would like a vegetable sandwich, please.
Good choice. It is fresh and light.
That sounds nice.
Would you like it toasted or not toasted?
Not toasted, please.
All right. 1 coffee with milk and 1 vegetable sandwich.
Yes, that is correct.
Would you like some water as well?
Yes, please. A small glass of water would be nice.
No problem. I will bring everything to your table.
Thank you very much.
You are welcome.
This cafe is very calm. I like the atmosphere.
I am glad to hear that. Many people come here to relax.
I needed a quiet place today.
Here is your coffee and water.
Thank you. The coffee smells good.
Your sandwich will be ready in a few minutes.
That is fine.
Here is your sandwich.
Thank you. It looks very good.
Please enjoy. Let me know if you need anything else.
I will. Thank you for your help.
My pleasure.
This is a nice break for me.
I am happy to hear that. Enjoy your time.
Excuse me, are you ready to pay?
Yes, I am ready.
Did you enjoy your coffee and sandwich?
Yes, everything was very nice. Thank you.
I am glad to hear that.
Could I have the bill, please?
Of course, I will bring it right away.
Thank you.
Here is your bill.
Let me see. Coffee, sandwich, and water.
Yes, that is correct.
How much is it in total?
The total is $12.
That sounds fine.
Would you like to pay with cash or card?
I would like to pay by card, please.
No problem. You can pay here.
All right, here is my card.
Thank you. Please enter your number on the screen.
Okay, done.
Great. The payment is complete. Thank you.
Here is your receipt.
Thank you very much.
You are welcome.
Can I ask you something?
Of course.
Is there a restroom here?
Yes, it is in the back on the left.
Thank you for telling me.
No problem at all.
I really liked this place.
That is nice to hear. We are happy you came.
I am visiting the city and this cafe was a good choice.
Many visitors say the same thing.
I may come back tomorrow.
You are always welcome.
Thank you. Everyone here is very kind.
We try our best.
Well, I should go now.
All right, have a nice afternoon.
Thank you. You too.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Good afternoon. Welcome to the Sunrise Hotel.
Good afternoon. Thank you.
How can I help you today?
I have a reservation I would like to check in.
Of course. May I have your name, please?
Yes, my name is Anna Miller.
Thank you, Miss Miller. Let me check your reservation.
All right,
Yes, I see it here. You have a reservation for 3 nights.
that is correct.
May I see your passport or ID, please?
Yes, here it is.
Thank you very much. Everything is in order.
Great.
Your room is a single room on the 3rd floor.
That sounds good.
The room has a bed, a desk, a bathroom, and free Wi-Fi.
Perfect. Is breakfast included?
Yes, breakfast is included with your stay.
What time is breakfast?
Breakfast is from 7 to 10 in the morning.
Good to know. Is there an elevator in the hotel?
Yes, the elevator is just behind you on the left.
Thank you.
Do you need help with your luggage?
No, thank you. I can manage.
All right, here is your room key card.
Thank you. Your room number is 312.
Room 312, got it.
If you need anything, please call reception.
I will. Can I ask one more question?
Of course.
Is there a restaurant in the hotel?
Yes, the restaurant is on the ground floor.
What time does it open for dinner?
It opens at 6 in the evening.
That is perfect. I am very hungry.
I understand. The food is very good.
That sounds nice.
Here's a map of the hotel and the area.
Thank you very much. That is helpful.
You are welcome. I hope you enjoy your stay.
Thank you. I'm sure I will.
Have a nice day.
You too. Goodbye.
Good morning. Are you checking out today?
Good morning. Yes, today is my last day.
I see. Did you enjoy your stay with us?
Yes, very much. Everyone was very helpful.
That is nice to hear. May I have your room key, please?
Of course. Here it is.
Thank you. Let me check your details.
All right.
Everything looks good. Your checkout time is correct.
Great.
Did you have breakfast this morning?
Yes, I did. It was very good.
I'm glad you liked it. Can you help me with one last thing?
Of course. What do you need?
I need a taxi to the train station.
No problem. What time does your train leave?
My train leaves at 11:30.
All right. I will call a taxi for 10:45.
That sounds perfect. Thank you.
The taxi will be here in about 10 minutes.
Great. I will wait in the lobby.
Do you need help with your luggage?
Yes, please. My bag is a little heavy.
I can help you with that.
Thank you very much.
You are welcome.
I had a very nice time in the city.
I am happy to hear that. Did you visit many places?
Yes, I visited the museum, some shops, and a nice cafe.
That sounds like a good trip.
It was. I hope to come back one day.
We would be happy to see you again.
Thank you for everything.
It was our pleasure. The taxi is here.
Yes, it is waiting outside.
All right, I should go now.
Have a safe trip.
Thank you. Goodbye.
Goodbye. Take care.